It's mid-April. The weather in Germany has been oscillating between chilly and warm, with temperatures sometimes in the low 5s at night and in the high 20s in the day. Today seems to be a very good day for working in the garden because it's bright and sunny, but more so because of this package that got delivered just now. It is the Bosch AXT Rapid 2000 garden shredder. The timing couldn't be better, as I have a pile of twigs and branches from all the tree pruning that happened a month ago. The AXT Rapid 2000 has several functions that make it quite suitable for quickly shredding bushes, branches, and other garden waste. With its powerful 2000 watts motor and OptiCut automatic speed control, you can shred large amounts of garden waste continuously and without interruption. The laser cut blade, made of extra-hardened steel, can cut branches up to 35 millimeters thick. The double-edged blade can be reversed for longer use. At 11.9 kilograms, it is lightweight and can be easily wheeled around the lawn and patio. With the help of the deflector accessory, you can safely push large branches into the quick-loading hopper. I started with very slender branches from my willow tree and was pleased to see them being eaten up with ease. I then moved on to thicker and harder branches from my Japanese cherry blossom and mulberry trees. The machine chopped them up effortlessly. And very soon I had bucket loads of wood chips. An unexpected bonus is that my garden mulch comes free hereafter.